In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a square in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a diagram, enhancing a page layout, or simply trying to highlight a section, inserting a square in your document is a simple and effective way to visually organize information. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring even the newest Google Docs user can follow along with ease. Before we start, you'll need to have your web browser open. Once it's ready, go ahead and type Google Docs into your search bar and hit Enter. You should see a link to access Google Docs directly. Go ahead and click that link. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Fill in your login details and proceed to your Google Docs homepage. Now that you're logged in and on the Google Docs homepage, open the document where you want to insert the square. If you haven't created one yet, you can start a new document from scratch. In the top menu bar of your document, you'll see several options. Click on Insert to open up a drop-down menu. This menu is crucial because it houses all the various elements you can add to your document. When the Insert menu is open, hover your mouse over the option that says Drawing. This will bring up another submenu to the side. Here, you want to click on Plus New to open the drawing window. This window is where all the magic happens and where you'll create your square from scratch. Once you're in the drawing window, take a look at the top toolbar and locate the Shapes icon. It might look like a circle overlapping a square. Click it to open a drop-down menu of different shapes. From here, you're going to select Shapes and then choose the square or rectangle icon. It's as simple as that to start sketching out your square. Now, to draw your square, click and drag the shape across the canvas. Here's a quick tip. To ensure that you're making a perfect square, hold down the Shift key while you draw. This will keep the dimensions equal and lend precision to your work. After you've drawn your square, the toolbar at the top of the drawing window provides options for customization. You can change the fill color to match your document's theme or a border color to make it stand out. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the line thickness to suit your preference. Once you're happy with your square and its appearance, the final step is to click Save and Close. This action will place your newly created square into your Google Doc as an image, neatly integrated into your content. And there you have it, a perfectly inserted square into your document to enhance your presentation. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for following along, and happy editing in Google Docs.